Alright, to do an emergency fix on a spider and triple joint against the former on the fly to get it through a day, we're going to use some CA glue, and we're going to use a turkey baster full of some baking soda, just regular baking soda from the store. We're going to put a bunch of CA glue around the joint, top and bottom. And then we're going to get some baking soda. Let me see if I can get a better picture here. And we're just going to cover that all up. And the baking soda acts like CA glue accelerator, but it'll add some three-dimensional strength. I'll eventually go back in here and vacuum up the extra baking soda, and I'm going to go all the way around the whole sub. It won't be the prettiest thing, but it'll get me through a day. We have a competition today and I was hoping to play, so see if it works. Talk to you later. So here's a better look of where I actually had a chunk fall out of the triple joint, and I kept adding super glue and then layers of the baking soda, and it adds up there and fills up that hole. It's ugly, but definitely it works now. Now you put tons of pressure on the cone, and she doesn't move anymore. So hopefully it'll get me through the day of this competition, and then it'll be time to recount after that, I think.